birthday is back with another video for you to watch with your sisters and brothers. Enjoy the presents while they sit up and talk over mukbangs. So please slide up and comment, let me know what you think.
That boy is Benny Hanna.
Mafia, we in this thing. We got a wonderful meal for you guys today. I'm Cool, and this is the Creole Queen. Queen, what we doing? Because this looks amazing, y'all. I walked in the door hungry. I'm sorry. Go ahead. Go ahead.
What's up, guys? We both are hungry. All I had today was 2 Oreos and a cup of coffee, so we are both starving. We have blue crab, we have mussels, egg, corn, potatoes, and I think that's it.
Okay.
We have our butter sauce back here, and then Koo has his sauce. Right there, we have water. That's it. Let's pray. I'm hungry.
All right. Father, we thank you for your divine love, God. We thank you for making our path straight. God, we ask that you bless this meal, bless the hands that prepared this meal, bless everybody that's eating with us today, and we ask that this food nourish our bodies. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Let's get it.
Amen. I hope I'm recording.
Oh, what you mean?
I feel so confused. Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm back. I just had to make sure we were recording because I'd have been upset again. All right, I don't even know what to start. Real quick, guys, this is fresh blue crab and fresh mussels. Everything was still alive when I brought it home. So I'm going to start with an egg. You can't go wrong with egg. Got my ginger on it. See that? I hope you guys can see us. Y'all, this is gonna be a nasty one. Messy. Messy.
Our beverage of choice today is water.
Guys, I hope you're doing well today. Ooh. There is no time wasting. Even the corn good. I forgot to tell y'all. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. Be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave us some comments, and if you're already a part of the family, what's up?
How y'all doing? Thank y'all for tuning in.
Y'all see the size of these mussels? This is huge. Bless you.
Thank you.
Y'all, these things are humongous. Look at that. Okay. Let me give me a little tater in. Man, we done made it to the week, y'all. To the end of the week. It's the weekend, baby. I'm gonna broke a little leg off. How many of y'all out there love blue crab? Ooh, get these little legs off first. They're pretty decent size too. Ooh, let that water drain out. I know some people cook them and then they open them. I make them all pretty. Not today. You good?
Yeah.
Cool, ain't got nothing to say right now. It just came out, y'all. Oh yes, okay. This is starting off good.
Got so much flavor in these blue crab.
You like the West season?
Yeah. A lot of flavor, y'all. Oh.
All right, guys. Now, one way people eat them, they take out the legs off, and then there's the body left. And this is a meal. You can tell it's a meal because it's skinny. So I hope you guys can see. You take your knife. Are you going to flip this little part over right here, open? So it opens. You can pull it off if you want. Then you're going to take your knife, stick it under there like that. Woo. Pop it open. Then you just take your, some people eat this part. I don't. You just clean it out. Put this knife down. And if you want, you can break it in half too. It'll help. So when you have a crab boil, or you're invited to one, and they don't have them all pretty, how you get them out the grocery store, that's how you do it.
Ooh, got something in my eye.
Oh no, that's not good. Okay.
Ain't gonna stop me. I eat with my eyes closed.
Yeah, we gotta do the what is it called? The Feed Your Partner Blindfolded or whatever challenge. We're doing that one. It should be coming real soon. That's gonna probably be a dirty mess too.
For sure that is.
So how was your week, guys? Mine was a little tough, but
it's behind us now.
yeah. Ooh, Lord.
Yeah, y'all.
I want to have a good weekend. And somewhere in there, it's going to be a cocktail.
What?
Somewhere in there, it's going to be a cocktail.
Somebody gonna get lit. There's gonna be some litations going on.
Oh, yeah.
A good cocktail. Okay. I'm with that. Y'all, this is so good.
What's the name of the place at home that serve them like this? Well, Steamboat do them like this.
Crab Palace.
Crab Palace.
Yeah.
Yeah, they just put them on the... I am dirty. They just put them on your table, and you just go at it.
Y'all, excuse me, I got something in my eye.
Do we need to stop?
No, keep going. The show must go on.
There you go. Oh, that's good. Another egg. Ooh.
Y'all, I came through the door hungry today, man. Just starving.
Y'all let us know what you eat with us today. My favorite part of the egg is the yolk.
You like the yolk?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know you liked the yolk.
And this, yeah,
But normally you just...
No, I like Grayson don't like the yolk.
Oh, that's Grayson, yeah. I knew it was one of y'all that don't like the yolk. How you eat an egg but don't like the yolk, y'all? That's the... I can do without the white part, but the yolk...
You want the red part.
Mm-hmm.
We don't want the egg white.
Put some seasoning on that bad boy. Man.
Oh, I have lemon here. I got lemon. All right, y'all. Another way to do it. Some heavy knives. You want to pop it open again. This time we're leaving the legs on it. Pop it open. Clean it out. Break it. Can you guys see me? I hope y'all can see me.
That corn spicy.
Is it?
Yeah. That's a new one?
Yeah, I season that water.
Oh, okay.
Everybody. I keep singing that song.
Do it on camera.
No, that's not even a real song.
Okay.
And see, guys, then you can do the lollipops.
Oh.
Yeah.
I learned something new today, y'all. Ain't know nothing about the lollipop. There go the queen shipment.
Yeah, this is so good. I know y'all don't think there's a lot of, it's a fight and it's not a lot of.
It is, but it is good. It's so flavorful, y'all.
I some sweet meat
It
too.
is so flavorful.
This meat is sweet and flaky.
Yeah.
See a lollipop?
It's so flavorful. That's the only reason I keep coming back to blue crab, because it's just flavorful.
Was it hot out there today?
Yeah.
Just warm.
It was very warm.
The little cold front gone, huh?
And shout out to all my gumbo cookers out there, but I do got to tell you one thing. Gumbo cook people, stop putting snow crabs and
king crabs
and Dungeness crabs in your gumbo. The reason why you put blue crab in your gumbo is because it adds to the flavor. And I don't cook, and I know that. So stop it, y'all. Yeah. Come on, quit disrespecting. That's Creole blasphemy.
That's Southern blasphemy.
Yeah.
And y'all know some people want to make it look, I guess, like oh, I made this big old expensive gumbo or whatever. Like, you want to make it look good, but when you make gumbo, it's all about the flavor.
And it's going to cost you. And if you make a good gumbo, it's going to cost you anyway.
Anyway, with the blue crab. But you still got to get the shrimp and everything.
And oysters.
And the oysters, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so. Yeah, those other crabs do not give it the authentic flavor. I know people be doing it, making it, trying to look all fancy and calling it Louisiana. We don't push no crab. I ain't start seeing it till we got grown. That's my mom was like, what is this?
Yep.
Because the New Mexico seafood gumbo, like you said, the blue crab will give it the flavor.
Yeah, them other crabs, it just don't do it. I mean, it's good, don't get me wrong, but it's just, it don't give it that authenticity. Did I say authenticity? Whoa!
I hear the big words. Oh, Lord. Y'all wish I could taste this.
Yeah. It's very flavorful.
And we had some crackers, but that's what I got to eat.
I know, right?
Yeah. Let me tell y'all what happened to me yesterday. How much time we got?
Like 4 minutes.
I'm gonna finish eat this crab. Before I get into this. Somebody mad they locked up.
He mad because he locked up.
I seen somebody post a video. They took their dog to the dentist, and he was mad that she took me to teeth clean, so he wouldn't look at her. He would just look out the window.
Oh, he thought he was going to ride, and she tricked him.
I don't think she tricked him. She just took him, and then so when they finished or whatever, when they come out, he got in the car seat. And he was like,
he was really mad.
She kept calling his name, and he
wouldn't even look.
He was just,
wow.
That was so cute.
Yeah, animals are so smart, man.
I'm gonna have to try to see if I can find that clip. It was hilarious. He was not happy. He was pissed. It's like, you let them people get in my mouth like that.
He ought to be happy that she took it to the dentist.
They know, they dogs.
Yeah, but yeah, how many hood dogs get to go to the dentist?
No.
Yeah. He ungrateful. He ungrateful.
He didn't know probably got insurance.
Right. Yeah.
I forgot what the name of that pet insurance is. Yeah, he don't appreciate it.
Yeah. Trying to treat him like he part of the family.
Yeah,
he mad.
He mad because she don't want him to have gingivitis.
Yeah. Look at that.
Your sauce good?
I've been attacking that butter sauce. So I'm talking about here, boy. And then coming home, ain't nothing like coming home from a hard day's work and having a hot meal waiting on you. A hot meal and a hot lady. Woo! Can't beat that. You can't beat that.
Hey, y'all might get some blue crab all summer. Well, hell, some almost over. All fall.
And we're going to have a surprise for y'all later on in the fall. Something we found. I ain't going to tell you. Just stay tuned.
Who we found?
You know what you found today when you went to the
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been having adventures all summer. We've really been having adventures all summer. I've been going out and exploring new stores and stuff. I wish he could be with me because I'm sure he gets tired of me texting him, sending him pictures. Oh, I almost got myself in the eye.
Finding all kind of stuff.
Ow.
All right.
Ew. Risky. Don't you leave out of your area where you live at. And Houston is a pretty decent sized city. So there's stuff from one side to the other.
There's always something going on.
And I don't care what. 7 days a week, 24 hours a day.
There's always something to do.
There's something to do.
I can't get the cat out. Oh, there we go.
That's one of my favorite parts. I think that's one of my favorite parts about living here.
What's
And the
that?
education system is good. Just that there's always something to do. Like there's a festival every weekend, and
Yep.
I see why a lot of people really don't leave Houston or like the surrounding area because you really don't have
You
to.
don't have to.
It's like a melting pot.
Yep, you really don't have to.
So there's like different festivals, like the Korean festival, the African festival. There's Thai, like literally any country you can
Every
think
nationality.
of. Yeah, there's a festival here for it.
Yeah. Well, every nationality got a festival.
And one of the best things about Grayson School is we have every nationality at the school. You want this egg? You sure?
Yeah.
I think this might be the last one. Did I
had
eat
one.
all the eggs?
No, I just had
Did
one.
I eat them all?
No, I just had one. You
I
good?
did like 6 of them.
Wow. Hey. Boy, it's gonna be woo. It's gonna be
Eggs and butter.
yeah. It's gonna be some
Eggs and butter.
what is it? Nitrous oxide. It's gonna be some nitrous oxide.
Is that what it's
Nitrogen or something.
nitrogen?
Or something like
I
that.
don't know. Oh no.
It's gonna be some helium in the room tonight. Yeah.
That people gonna float.
Oh wow.
I might float. I'm just glad when I see y'all eating. I know I did a good job.
Well, you always do a good job. I'm
Y'all
always eating. Mafia family, I want y'all to take a minute to help me celebrate the queen. She got featured in a magazine.
Oh yeah, y'all.
So take a minute to celebrate the queen. Comment down below. Tell her congratulations. I was excited for her. A lot of people see on the front side of the business, but they don't know the inner workings of what going on behind the scenes. And it was a very good article. And thank Thank you, Queen. I appreciate it. You represented the family well.
Thank you.
So y'all check that out. She can tell y'all where it's at, how to get to it. But
yeah, I did a post on I did on my personal Instagram, my business Instagram, and the Cool and Queen Instagram. So you can find me in one of those. What it is, Voyage Houston contacted me about doing a piece for their Lady Boss.
oh, Lady Boss.
The Lady Boss section. So me along with some other ladies were featured in that section of it. You can click the link and you'll see it. You go to their link and it'll say Lady Boss and you scroll and you'll see it or whatever. And I'm just honored and grateful that they even like reached out to me to do it. This is my second feature in like a magazine or online magazine. So I was excited. Like I said, I'm really grateful. We work hard. I know that a lot of people just know us from doing mukbangs, but we have a pretty successful guess what? T-shirt brand and printing company, and so kind of we already been on this for a long time. So it's nice when people can acknowledge your hard work. I'm trying to see what else I want to eat. You can have these mussels. I know you like them. Y'all, these things are huge. But yeah, I was really grateful for it and excited. So, and she reached out to me again because she wants to do a more in-depth interview. So we're going to be working on that pretty soon. Oh. Play with me, crap.
One time for the Queen. Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray!
Yeah, when I saw it, I was just like, I'm like, that's me. Whew. So, yeah. And congratulations to all the other ladies that were featured as well in it. And then you turn into a little kid when your husband and your family is excited for you. Then I sent it to my mom and she was all excited. So, yep. Just keep on working, y'all. And somebody gonna see it. Just keep on working. Oh, that's what I was going to tell y'all. I'll tell y'all what happened to me yesterday. So, I got all cute. Prepared the food, getting ready to record. Y'all, I beat my face yesterday. I was cute yesterday, honey. It was beautacious. The hair was popping. I had on my little cute t-shirt. And I'm recording and it's just going. I'm just going. It's feeling good. It's vibing. Y'all. Right as I'm about to finish, my computer froze up. Just like, I was so mad. I didn't want to eat no more. I didn't want to eat. I was done. And I was so mad. So, shout out to our fellow mukbangers and YouTubers. This ain't easy, y'all, because that was a whole wasted video. And it was all cute. And I had, oh, this is going to be perfect. Nobody gets to see it. Nobody gets to see it. The video that never was.
Wow.
Oh. Just know. And actually, that's what the article was about. Insurmountable situations, basically impossible situations. So how do you get over them? So you can go back and read the advice that I gave. But y'all guys don't stop. You're gonna get frustrated. Stuff not gonna always work out the way you want it to. Like I said, me personally, I had a difficult week. a difficult week. But I just went ahead, went to bed. Well, I helped him do some stuff last night. Did I help you last night?
No.
I don't know if I helped you. Oh, it was yesterday. I had some stuff to go before you came home. Yeah, he's like, no, I need you. You know.
No.
But yeah, I went ahead, went to bed, got up today, came up with a new game plan. So now we're back recording our camera. It's not the camera we want, but we're using what we have until we get what we want. So yeah, y'all. Uh-oh.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah. What the hell?
Oh Lord, I'm telling y'all, sometimes this stuff be so y'all don't even know. Sometimes this be a mess. But
Hey, that behind the scenes stuff, boy. Man,
yeah.
I used to think. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Oh no, go ahead.
I used to think like you. I just like, man. You just sit. Man, we finna wreck this. You just sit down in front of the camera and you eat. No, hell no. There's way more to it than that. Just sitting down in front of the camera and eat. Yeah, it's a lot that go into this mukbang situation, y'all. It really is. Especially if you have a fight right before you get on camera. That didn't happen many a times.
Many a times. Many a times.
And sometimes that's what caused the fight.
The damn setup.
I can't get this one open. It's open, but
yeah. So guys, use what you have. If you're trying to start a channel or thinking about it, use what you have until you can get what you need. Oh.
I'm gonna leave that alone. I can't get it open. Yeah. Just keep on pressing, man. You know, we've been in business for a long time and we're not where we want to be, but
I think we're doing pretty good.
we grinding. Yeah. The thing about it, key to it is we really enjoy doing it. You know, if I wasn't making no money, I would do it because I enjoy it. But I thank God for His divine love that we do make a living at it. You want this cool? At this point, I'm cruise control. I'm just eating. You know, when you're full, but you just can't
Keep
stop
on going.
eating.
Yeah. Oh, my nose running.
Yeah. I was excited for you in that magazine. I enjoyed it. And sometimes, y'all, men, this for the men, or anybody in a relationship, have this ever happened to you? You'll be scrolling Facebook or something like that, and it didn't happen to me. I was scrolling one day and I seen my wife, and I was like, oh, that's my wife. I was like, hey. I'm sorry. Oh, man down.
I've been hit.
Oh,
I've been hit.
man down.
Y'all getting today's eyebrow. I don't even know if these eyebrows are still on my face.
Wow.
I might have like one.
Nah, she good.
Yesterday I tried to do perfect. I tried for it to be perfect yesterday, and it didn't work out. I said today they getting beat up t-shirt and no makeup. So some days are better than the other.
I know I got. This is good.
Oh, juice is flying.
Yeah.
Yep. Don't stop doing what you're doing, guys. Just keep on pushing, keep on pressing. I was so mad yesterday. The stuff that was coming out of my mouth.
Y'all, and the meal she made, when I came home, I ate it. So
Yeah.
hey, It was good. I was like, oh well.
He
It's
forgot
good.
to pick the fork up. He's like, you done. I was like, I don't want it.
Hey, it was good. You gotta go back. You gotta go back to that one.
Yeah.
That came out good. I didn't think it would.
Mm-hmm.
You all right?
Yeah, kind of cranked up.
I didn't think it would because of the combination, but yeah, it was good. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. What's up? What's good? Take your
My food.
drumstick. I don't want to take your drumstick.
Whew. That spice hit different just a minute ago. Whew.
Mm-hmm. And blue crab seem to be juicier too.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like you hold the water or whatever you.
And I drained. I let them sit.
Yeah, whatever you boil it in, it seems like it holds.
Yep.
Y'all need cold. Oh.
Yeah, everybody like, I don't care, but that's one thing with seafood.
Mm-hmm.
I don't care what kind of crab it is.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody like getting in that claw. They need always sweeten the
Yeah.
claws.
That's how you would describe it? Sweet? I guess
I
it's
think
like,
I call it sweet.
Okay, okay.
Sweet meat.
I could I could never put,
You are such a little. That's the way you be acting. Sometimes you're into a little high school boy.
Man. Y'all, I keep saying this, but the flavor in these crabs, whatever you did,
Do it again.
do it again. Because we're probably going to be doing this again tomorrow with more crab.
Oh yeah.
And I'm really not a fan of blue crab, but these are
Really?
I don't know.
So we've been together almost 30 years.
I eat them because you eat them, but because it's like it's a lot of work. It is, and you got to eat so many of them.
Yeah. Y'all, who from North Louisiana too? They eat seafood, but not the way South Louisiana do. Did y'all eat much seafood as children?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Nope.
Y'all had a lot of soul food. Sorry guys, the camera stopped. So, Cool was talking about that they didn't have a lot. What's what I'm saying? Y'all didn't eat a lot of seafood as a child.
No.
What did y'all eat?
Just really everything: red beans and rice.
Soul food.
Yeah,
Rice
pork
and
chops,
gravy.
rice and gravy. Yeah. And that's where I hone the skills of the spaghetti with the rice. You got to try spaghetti with rice, y'all. Pasta and the whole nine, but you add rice to it. You got to try it.
That's still a negative.
Yeah, and okra, but you know everybody eat okra.
Not everybody. These people in the other states don't eat no okra.
You think so?
Oh God, no.
Wow, what's wrong with them? Yo, it's good.
Y'all, in case y'all wonder why this completely looks different now, it might be kind of hell. Is it lopsided? I don't know. We may look a little crooked.
Yeah.
We look a little crooked.
M,
I
my
like
crooked letter, I.
I got my booty shorts on. I ain't getting up.
Hey, we keeping it PG, y'all. PG.
But anyway, the camera stopped. The battery. Said to charge it. Anybody got time for that? So again, see, this is how you make it work.
You gotta improvise.
Yep.
You gotta improvise.
Yep. Ooh, look at this piece of meat came out.
I'm full, y'all.
Let's see that.
Whew.
You full?
Yeah, I'm full.
All right, go full. You keep cutting these lemons.
And don't never use them.
No, you.
Don't never use them. I'm finna use one. I'm gonna use one now.
Okay, so we got 2 crab left. Probably a late night snack.
Oh, I'm sorry. We just juicy tonight, huh? Juicy. Hey, girl. Hey, YouTube. She did not say that. Oh, I don't want YouTube
Doing nut.
taking none of our coins.
Oh my goodness.
Cause would you think they got somebody just standing there watching? Well, oh.
No, I think it's something in the analytics and that picks up like music, I guess. And sometimes people just be hating and probably turn other people in.
Don't hate, y'all. Whoever doing that, don't hate. We all family.
Well, I don't think it's nobody on our stuff though. I think our people like us.
I hope so. They family.
Yeah, people be in the comments. We haven't. I think I got like a couple of crazy comments like when we first started recording. But man, they be in other people's comments going, ew.
Wow. Well,
do y'all even care? Like you fellow YouTubers, like no matter what kind of YouTube channel do you have, do y'all even care? I don't even care.
Well, okay, so I'm gonna do this. Before y'all give me, I'm finna give myself. When I'm eating, my eyes cry a little bit. But so I got me. That's the only thing. Other than that, I'm a pretty man.
Charlamagne. You know, Charlamagne said if you talk about your imperfections, nobody else can.
Yeah, my eyes cry a little bit, but it's okay. I still got the.
You crying because it tastes good?
No, I don't know.
You just literally rubbed sauce in your horny goat beard.
Oh, I did?
Yes.
Oh!
I'm trying to clean it.
You pulling it.
I'm sorry.
It's attached.
It's like a whole other color now.
It is?
You done dyed it with this red sauce.
I'm going to go wash it up.
All right, y'all. Are we done?
I don't know. Yeah, I mean, unless you got something else you want to say.
I need to get these nails taken. Y'all want to get these nails taken off. Y'all know when you get nails, you have to like take them off for a little while, let your nails kind of rest because they make them weak. Some people don't know, they just keep on going. But yeah, so I'll do that tomorrow. What y'all doing this weekend? What are we doing this weekend?
I might get some rest. Sleepy time.
You think?
Yeah. Uh-oh. That mean no. If she say you think
I'm just asking.
I mean I got something to do, y'all. I must have a honeydew or something I need to do.
Not bad. I think I did a lot around here this week. So, I don't know. Now we just rambling, I feel like. We just rambling.
Yeah, just rambling.
Yeah, this is really good. Yeah, I think we're going to be doing a lot. I'm so glad. Well, I'm glad I finally found some fresh blue crab. So, because the frozen one be kind of weird sometimes. What?
Oh, I do want to do I think they got the chicken wing challenge.
Oh, what's up to you love? Is it Shani? I hope I'm saying it. She's the Chani or Shani. Yeah, she called us out to do the 10 chicken wings in 10 minutes.
Oh, you call it? Oh,
not like that. No, you wouldn't call out like.
Oh, okay, not like, call out.
What you got?
No, but hey, y'all didn't see what we did. Spicy.
Oh, the 2-time spicy.
Yeah, y'all didn't see you know I'll get down on some chicken wings.
No, but it's not like chicken pieces. It's a whole wing.
Oh, let me shut my mouth, y'all. I thought it was with the wing and the.
It's all drawn the wing, the tip. Yeah,
them things can get pretty big.
I guess it depends on where you get them from.
10 of them.
10 of them in 10 minutes.
So that's a minute a wing.
Wow. Yeah, ain't much talking.
I don't know. Let me be quiet. Hey,
I think she did 7. Did she do 7.5? Shanny did like 7.5 or 8.5, something like that. She did pretty good
in 10 minutes. Because
you got doable.
Pop and wow.
Y'all, I bought my popsicles. I guess I'm gonna have to do it by myself because don't nobody want to do the popsicle challenge. So we got about 3 challenges to do. I'm not giving myself brain freeze. No, you all on your own with that one. So I'm gonna support you. I'm gonna support you from the side. You just gonna sit here? Yes, I am. Okay. You can do commentary. Lisa is going in. She's on that purple. Oh no, it's grape. Oh my goodness, she's really destroying. I don't like grapes. I don't think I'm putting no grapes in the freezer. No grapes. Okay. No, I don't like grapes. Nothing. No, I like grape soda going for. Strawberry. You're gonna do strawberry. Strawberry. Wow, that's that North. Let me shut up. I don't want people tripping in mind. Yeah. Don't. Oh my god. Yeah. How does this look? I'm interested in seeing. Well, I'm sorry that it's crooked. And I see all I had to do was tip it a little bit, but I was just trying to hurry up before the mood was lost. And I know y'all probably saw this T-shirt already, but guess what? I washed it. I just pulled it out the laundry. I was like, you see, I'm not even trying for perfection today. But you're doing it. Yeah. Do I need a haircut? I don't know. I was kind of letting it grow to see what it do. You cleaning up? Yeah, because I'm sleepy. I want some dessert. I'm finna clean up. Did you eat your pie? No, don't throw away the lemons. Oh.
I'm going.
I'm putting them right back in the Ziploc and doing with something else.
I'm cleaning up and then I'm gonna watch Netflix.
Well, they got some new movies.
Ain't no chill tonight.
Oh, y'all
it's
know
just
what?
Gonna be Netflix. Ain't no chill. I ain't got no energy to chill.
God.
No.
TMI.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What is the Black Girl Sketch Show come on tonight?
It does.
I think so. I'm excited.
Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, that's gonna be pretty good.
I think it's called the Black Girl Sketch Show.
Yeah, but it come on like 10 o'clock.
It's on Netflix.
No,
Is it
I
on
thought
Netflix
that was
or HBO?
No, that's what's her name?
It might be on HBO. I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, that's your girl, right? That's your girl.
No, that's not Issa. That's Issa's friend.
Issa friend that
I forgot her name. It's the light skinned chick.
Oh, okay.
No, she had another show on MTV. Remember the two black chick that was on MTV or VH1 doing something? Mm-hmm. Her.
Oh, okay. I
thought
thought
it
it was
was
Issa Rae.
No,
Issa Rae
is friends with her. Right? They friends.
Oh, okay.
And I think Issa was like, well, hey, I already got a hookup with HBO. So come on over here. And let's work something out. And she said it happened really fast.
Boy, it's good to have friends in the right places, man. It's really good. And that's for anything, you know.
Yeah. What's her name? Angela. What's her name? What's Tina Turner's name?
Tina Turner.
Angela. The one that played Tina Turner.
Oh, Angela Bassett.
Angela Bassett she did a skit with her.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm so this is gonna be so good. Like she has some. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. Y'all gotta watch it. Y'all have to watch it. Let me know what y'all think. I love the whole Black Girl Magic thing. I get excited when the sisters get a chance and get out there and show their talent. So.
But HBO, send us our check. Because we
commercial.
Hey, we just gave y'all some promo. Yeah. So if anybody.
Y'all go watch that. I'm going to put it up in here somewhere to make sure. I think it's called the Black Girl Sketch Show or something like that. But I'm excited.
Closed mouth don't get fed.
I guess you're right. Y'all, go check out the t-shirts if y'all go order y'all some t-shirts. We got some cute ones. It's on the t-shirt launch pad. What else? I think that's it. Are we done?
We did.
Yeah. Y'all, thank y'all so much for eating with us. This was so stinking good. I hope this looks good because I really can't tell. But yeah. Oh, shout out to where's my phone?
We recording.
Angela. That's why I can't find it because I'm looking at it.
Right.
Hello, world. I want to give a shout out to I want to give a shout out to, I think her name is Angela Smart. Like she's like notification squad. Like soon as the videos post, she on it. Skyquake Warrior. That's my girl too. I want to thank you so much as well for all your support. I think her name is either Pia or Pia. P-I-A. So let me know which is it, Pia or Pia. Let me know if it's the first or the second. Thank you so much. She's so like anything I post, anything we do, she's supportive. Shout out to Muslim Marriage, Shay Snacks. Who else? Steph and Tasha. Who? Shani. We just made a new friend. Motion. Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm jacking your names up. Like I said, we record with my phone now. Oh God, somebody else. It's somebody else.
Dame Dash.
Dame. Oh, but it's somebody else. Who is it? Somebody else I wanted to shout out as well. I can't think. Yeah, I'm gonna make a list for our next video because I want to shout some people out because I just appreciate you guys so much. Because some of you, when we post, sometimes as soon as that video hit, y'all commenting, liking, watching to the end, and we just really appreciate it. Like we've met so many cool people doing this, and we just appreciate y'all. And thank y'all for everybody who's like commenting on me and Grayson's video because he is so shy. But we working on it with
Lisa Michelle.
Oh, Lisa Michelle and Mr. Carl. Yeah. Y'all just thank y'all so much. Like we like it really does. Like I used to just be like, oh, people like, you know, that can't be real. But I'm like, nah, we really appreciate the love. Like we can really feel the love. So just again, thank you to everybody that's supporting us. Again, if you don't start a business, YouTube, anything that you're trying to do it, figure it out, work with what you got till you can get something better. You know, we've I didn't want to say we mastered the t-shirt game, but we're pretty good at it, and now we want to master this YouTube thing and be good at it as well. So, all right, y'all, I think I'm done preaching.
Not only t-shirts, y'all, we do a gambit of any excuse me, any type of clothing manufacturing you need.
Yeah, bags.
But this we're not trying to sell that, you know, but anything you need.
Yeah, if y'all want to start your own t-shirt business, a t-shirt brand, hit us up. We can help produce that for y'all. And that's about it. Okay, y'all, we gonna go because we're gonna keep talking.
I wanted to sing a song though when you was talking about the love, but I don't want YouTube to get us.
Can you? I don't want you. I'm gonna say moan.
Okay,
can you hum it?
Yeah, I'm gonna just wow it. Wow, 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 wow. That's the song.
What is that?
Okay, I guess I gotta sing it. Can you feel the love tonight? What is that from? Is that from The Little Mermaid? That's from The Little Mermaid, I think. Huh?
Is it Little Mermaid?
I don't know, but we really rambling. Hey, it's like I'm full.
Delirious.
I'm drunk full, y'all. That's why I'm drunk full. That's what it is. I'm drunk full. All right, guys. We love you, appreciate you. If you made it to the end of the video, put some crabs down in the comments because I don't know. This will turn into a complete situation. But we thank you guys. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification bell. Again, we love you. We appreciate you. And I hope you have an amazing, amazing weekend. The summer is coming to an end. You through, Coop? Say less.
I guess he's through. So, guys, please don't forget to feed your soul. Peace.